on the basis of reducing property. Carbohydrates which reduce tolerance reagent and failing solutions are called reducing carbohydrates. Such carbohydrates must contain C, C double bond O, OH, HH or CHO group, glucose, fructose, ribose, maltose, lactose. Those carbohydrates which don't reduce TR and FS, sucrose, starch, cellulose, etc. are known as non-reducing carbohydrates. These don't have free reducing group. Monosaccharides: glucose, dextrose, grape sugar, corn sugar, blood sugar occurs in the nature in the free state as well as combined state. Now, preparation of glucose from sucrose, cane sugar. Cane sugar is boiled with dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4 in alcoholic solutions. Sugar gets hydrolyzed to give equal amount of glucose and fructose. C12H22O11 sucrose plus H2O H plus C6H12O6 glucose plus C6H12O6 fructose. On the cooling, glucose crystallizes out, being less soluble in alcohol. From starch. Commercially, glucose is prepared on the large scale by the hydrolysis of starch. Starch is boiled with dilute H2SO4 at 393 Kelvin under pressure. C6H10O5 N starch or cellulose plus NH2O H plus del 393 Kelvin 2 to 3 atm N C6H12O6 glucose. Structure: glucose was the assigned open chain structure on the basis of following evidence: CH3 CH2 4 CH3 CHO CHOH 4 CH2OH glucose. Reagent HI del 6 carbon atoms are linked in the straight chain. CH3 CH2 4 CH3 N hexane. NH2OH confirm the presence of a carbonyl group. CH double bond NOH CHOH 4 CH2OH glucose. Glucose enzyme. CHOH CHOH 4 CH2OH glucose. NH2OH confirms the presence of a carbonyl group. CH double bond NOH CHOH 4 CH2OH glucose enzyme. Now, oxygen O Br2 water indicates aldehyde group. COOH CHOH 4 CH2OH gluconic acid 5CH3CO2O confirm the presence of 5OH group CHO, CHO, CO, CH3 4 CH2O, CO, CH3 glucose pentane acetate. HCN confirms the presence of a carbonyl group CHCNOH, CHOH4, CH2OH, glucose cyanohydrin. HNO3 oxidations indicate the presence of primary alcohol OH group COOH, CHOH4, COOH, glucaric acid or saccharic acid. The exact spatial arrangement of different OH group was given by Fischer. Physical properties: glucose is white crystalline solid MP 419 Kelvin, sweet in taste. It is soluble in water but sparingly soluble in alcohol. It is optically active. Structure of glucose: glucose is an aldohexose and is also known as dextrose. It is a monomer of starch and cellulose. Structure is derived from the following data. Molecular formula C6H12O6. Presence of a straight carbon chain. On heating with Hi, glucose gives N hexane, suggesting that all the C6 atoms are present in a straight chain. HOH2C, CHOH4, CHO, CH2, CH24, CH3. Presence of carbonyl groups. Glucose reacts with hydroxyl amine to form an oxime with hydrogen cyanides. It gives cyanohydrin. These reactions suggest the presence of carbonyl group C double bond O. In glucose, OHC, CHOH, CH2OH, H2O, NH2OH, HO, CH2, CHOH4, CH double bond NOH, OH, CH2, CHOH4, CHO, HCN रिएजेंट के साथ HCN रिएजेंट से OH, CH2, CHOH4, CHOH, CN का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा. Presence of CHO group. Glucose on oxidations with the mild oxidizing agent Br2H2O gives gluconic acid which contains 6C atoms. This suggests the carbonyl group is present as an aldehydic group OH, CH2, CHOH4, CHO, Br2H2O, OH, CH2, CHOH4, COOH, gluconic acid. presence of 5 OH groups, glucose on the acetylations with the acetic anhydride gives glucose pentacetate. This confirms the presence of 5 OH groups. Since glucose is a stable compound, all the 5 OH groups are on different C atom. Presence of 1 degree alcoholic group on oxidations with nitric acid, glucose as well as gluconic group on the oxidations with nitric acid, glucose as well as gluconic acid give a dicarboxylic acid. This suggests the presence of primary alcoholic group in glucose. OH CH2 CHOH CHOH4 CHO HOOC CHOH4 COOH cyclic acid OH CH2 CHOH4 COOH O COOH CHO4 COOH. Open chain structure. From the reactions discussed above, there are 4 chiral C atoms in the glucose. Therefore 2 to power 4 is equal to 16. Optical stereoisomers are possible. The exact spatial arrangement of different OH group was given by Fischer after studying many other properties. Spatial arrangement of partial arrangement of 5 OH groups in glucose, gluconic acid and cyclic acid are CHO, OH, OHH, 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 CH2, OH. Glucose first. CHO, OHH, HOH, OHH, OHH, CH2, OH. Gluconic acid 2, CHO, OHH, HOH, OHH, OHH, COOH. Cyclic acid glucose D positive glucose CHO, OHH, CH2, OH. D positive glyceraldehyde CHO, OHH, CH2, OH. L positive glyceraldehyde